Ewe you back in a quamon. As you know, alone to Mathias, yellow arrow mysterious, when Mathias were making we don't pour the guy. No, the Mathias may go don't pour the guy, make it the guy may charm. No announcement from Mathias, so no announcement from Mundo to Mathias as the boy has not P former PA. So as he stands, Mathias did not even attend the guy's burial. Mathias Megini zo the thing kaya no onwere yemen. Kemgbe last year ka the guy no onwa okwako no for dem mad sieme and dem go Mundo to Mathias. People are yet to say things. Mathias mecha unu no gba unu ye kodia na this video kono for.
You know, some of you Mathias followers that are ranting on my comment, you know, I don't blame you guys. Because the thing is that you guys are yet to encounter Mathias. Like, when I mean encounter him, you guys are yet to have it with Mathias when it comes to you having issue. Maybe financial assistance, health issue, and other things that has to do with life. That is why you guys are ranting. The truth still remains that a whole lot of people from Ome and Abuze Ezioku that have worked with Mathias before has tried to reach out to me to lay a complaint to me. Mathias is Jueme Hanka, Mathias is Jueme Hanka. You know, most of those guys, you know me from day one as one of Mathias' tormentor. They know me from when I was still back home. Since in Beroboda, and I'm amazing blogging, and I know that I talk about Mathias now. I've never done 1/4 of what I did when I was still back home. For those of you that know me, you know, the reason why most of you are ranting on my comment, Mathias, I say comment say Mathias is a good man, no matter what, you can't bring him. I'm not trying to bring him down. I'm not trying to even accuse him of the person behind his PA buying. Let me be watching my words because of Facebook. One thing I'm pushing is for him to tell you guys what really happened. Why didn't he post about that guy? And why didn't you Omena and Uzezoku traditional religion attend that guy burial? Why did he also block the guy's elder brother when they are trying to push? Natasha, you didn't attend that guy burial. A guy that was living with you. I know some people denying that he's not his PA, he's not this, so he's not related to what all these stories he is saying. He didn't go to this place. The guy never burnt Bible. The guy never criticized this. He's my friend. He's my secondary school and university friend. Shut up there. The family of the guy are angry. Like he's saying what transpired. You are an idiot. Much after saying that what I'm saying is lie, that is your friend. People that are related to him, blood related, other family members, are saying this is what happened and sending all sort of evidence, picture, voice note, video. What happened? You, who are an idiot, are telling me that he's your friend. I shouldn't say that because he's no more. He's your friend, this and that. Your friend, and since then, you stopped seeing him or, you know, any update about him. You never care to ask about him. You never care for once to ask about that your friend. You are surprised that you said that the guy don't buy. No, the guy is not like this. Without me posting it now, will most of you know that this guy don't buy? No. The answer is no. Without me trying to post this guy now and his story, would any of you know that this my friend don't buy? It says a lot about Mathias. What stopped him from posting about this guy death? What stopped him from gathering the Omena Abuzi Ezioku to go for a condolence visit to the family? Why did this guy then swept under the carpet and move on as if nothing happened? He knew that people will have questions to ask. He knew that with what the guy did, you know, I don't even know the guys. The family are the ones saying a lot of things. His activities, even the guy himself have teared and burned a Bible. Everything video put filled on his Facebook page. But they were surprised. Not like immediately the guy by the Facebook account disappear. And I'm talking, he's telling me, it's your friend. It's your friend. Don't say that. He never go against Christian. He's not like that. You are just lying against him because the dead can't speak. Chineke pokwa goku. Oh, your friend, the kewu. Your friend, you know, can force your friend to disappear. No communication, nothing. Here. Then I'm posting about him. I don't blame you guys that are telling me Mathias is a good man. Mathias is not like that. This and that one. Soon, many of you will encounter him. Real. About what this here on a query online. You will see him as a PowerPoint. You will encounter him in real. You think this issue that I'm treating now, you think is the first thing that has someone brought to me regarding Mathias. Sometimes last year, one of the guy that always insult me like worry because of Mathias came to my inbox complaining to me what Mathias did to him, that Mathias is not what he is. And Mathias abandoned him immediately his father died. This one, that one. That Mathias is not, he's just looking for who to use. I was like, what happened? But the more reason why I try to, you know, pay attention to the guy, but the more reason why I ignore him, that he's one of the men who made and abuse Yoku people that always insult me like were when I did Naija. What think that guy, they insult me no good. When I'm talking about Mathias, Ekperima'S no they deceive the guy will be cursing me, dragging me, just like many of you are doing on my comments now. Oh, what are you that guy ran up from? Homo, ibu gay, ida mother, ibu onya ago, this one, that one. Then when I was still back home. But he came to me last year, sometimes last year. The chat is still there. Even I tried to message himself, asking him, you see, as because immediately issue of this guy came, I remembered him. I was telling somebody, this issue is not the first issue that people are from Mathias go are bringing to me. I remember I say, how far your guy? I be your guy the letter said to you. You know, the chat evidence are still on my inbox if I should search. He told me that he is the chairman of Ndiome and Abuzi Ezioku. Mathias chairman. Mathias abandoned him. Do you guys think that I'm daft to try to create an awareness to the guy in Kekaden Donaji Klosh Seje? You think I'm daft? My update and the secretary of Ndiome and Abuzi Ezioku, what he confirmed, is he not telling you something about Mathias? How can that boy, the one that is still alive now on clutches, since 2023 till now, only thing has spent the everybody $500,000 or $500,000? Is he telling you that they want this guy to walk again in his life? Or is he telling you that they are neglecting this guy? Nobody will talk about it. Nobody will post about it. If the family try to press, Akuchie the family. All of you are daft. I'm more poverty or 2 cups of rice, one on a dinner in you. Or there's the suchicha brain, suchicha common sense, you. When I'm talking, oh, my friend, Mathias is a good person. Don't say that thing. Don't say that thing. If all of you, what happened to this guy? All of you not closer to Mathias in around all these things. Now turn by turn. All routine you get return. That time you run to me for me to create an awareness, for me to post and tell people Mathias is not who it is. And by then I will still ignore you. When reality hits you, you will run to Mathias. When reality hits you, you will run to Mathias. Now, when that reality will hit You and your man abuse you guys will run to me for me to post. Okunu, Unua, be ranting. Like I said, I gave Mathias 72 hours. I know the reason why I just put it that way. So that he can summon courage and explain. I'm not saying that she's the one responsible for the guy spying. No. I'm not saying that. But what is the sickness the guy suffered? And why didn't you tell people that this guy that used to do all these Facebook online activities for you, don't buy you, or yeah, ne. At least you tell people, you update people. Why did you hide it? And why did you suddenly move forward? Move on in life as if nothing happened. Even some people, a lot of women and abuse people, they knew that this guy is no more through me, through my update. A lot of you knew that this guy is no longer alive through my update. A lot of great comments now. People are saying, oh, this guy has been long. We saw him last. Oh, this guy is been long. Oh, this is why? You shouldn't be that way. Abu no ndunu bu a good person. I know what I'm talking. Then I commented now saying, oh, my friend, they call he ne kuwa. So they call like that, or they call like that. Eka we marry the guy than his family. Ozuo.